Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to order a Wise debit card step by step in the easiest way possible. Now don't worry if you're a complete beginner. You don't need any prior knowledge and you don't even need to have a bank account linked right now. I'll explain everything in simple terms, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, what exactly is the Wise debit card? The Wise debit card is a card provided by Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, that lets you spend money in multiple currencies. You can use it for online shopping, in-store payments, subscriptions, and even ATM withdrawals in many countries. Now let's get into the steps. First, open the Wise app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, just go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Wise, and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on Sign Up. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Apple ID. Choose whichever option is easiest for you. After signing up, Wise will ask you to verify your email address. Just open your email inbox, click on the verification link, and come back to the app. Now, the next step is identity verification. Wise is a regulated financial service, so they need to confirm who you are. You'll be asked to upload a government-issued ID, like a passport, Aadhaar card, or driving license, depending on your country. Follow the on-screen instructions, take clear photos, and submit them. In most cases, verification is completed within a few minutes or a few hours. Once your account is verified, you'll land on the Wise home screen. Here, you don't need to add a bank account immediately, so don't worry about that. Now, to order the Wise debit card, look for the Card section in the app. Tap on it and then tap on Order a Card or Get a Wise Card. Wise will now show you the card details and any applicable fees. In some countries, the first card may be free, while in others there may be a small one-time fee. This will be clearly shown on the screen before you proceed. Next, you'll be asked to enter your delivery address. Make sure your address is correct, because this is where your physical Wise card will be shipped. After confirming your address, review all the details and tap Confirm Order. That's it. Your Wise debit card has now been ordered. Wise will show you an estimated delivery time, usually anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on your location. While waiting for the physical card, you may also get access to a virtual Wise card, which you can use for online payments immediately. Once your physical card arrives, open the Wise app, go to the Card section, and activate your card by following the instructions. You'll usually need to make a chip and PIN transaction or confirm activation inside the app. And that's how you order a Wise debit card step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.